basically you start right over the lift bridge. You'll find out.
I want to catch that ship coming out.
So you start right at the beginning of the lift bridge.
Right around the corner there.
All the way to the end of Park Point, which is this strip
I think he's looking at going up the river now.
It's like a 5-mile bike ride.
I know. I'm a little pissed about it. I mean,
the last 2
whatever.
miles.
This is what it is.
Well, the last 3 times now
and then you swim across the water
Really?
to the Culver's in Superior. And then you eat cheese curds and celebrate your successes. We've done that. I know I'm calling it the Culver's Triathlon. Yeah, we're going to rename it. But you can't. I want to end with cheese curds. It's kind of
regardless, he wins.
Yeah.
No. I must do it via bicycle. Got it.
It struck me as odd that he didn't seem to know he was.
He didn't notice it.
Yeah, I think you saw that too.
Oh yeah, as soon as he beeped the hook.
Hell yeah.
He's ready to throttle back and trim it out. Slow us down a little bit.
Captain loves the hard bar.
Take some pitch out of the props.
There we go. Nice lighting.
Guess you gotta jump in. Oh, bummer.
I'm sure that kid just loved that trip.
Definitely riding down in the water, isn't it?
Full of iron ore. Some CN.
Surprising how good that thing turns.
Pardon me?
Surprising how good that thing turns. As big as it is.
Oh yeah, well they got those bow and stern thrusters on her.
Still.
They ain't rubbing and ain't racing.
Pardon me?
Huh?
It's crazy?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh, look at that beautiful light. Oh my god. Yeah, the bomb throster. In fact, I got a picture of the bridge waters over there. It's kind of nice to see here. It's only dollars. Like a block behind the church. Walk down. Good. Kids. Working on a zone, he's put up in, I don't know, focus or something. That dock there is the one that the Fitzgerald pulled out of.
What?
That's where the Fitzgerald was. You know, that,
Really?
Could you not?
The
Yeah.
first one or the second one?
Kind of in between the two.
Okay.
Where? No. Right there ahead of it? Right on the water? That's just... No, it's not. It's just, no, it's a part of the structure. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. It's not moving. Yeah, we are.
Here, gentlemen.
Oh well.
What, Mom? What?
There comes the sun.
Thank you.
Maybe. We'll see. Everything looks good when it's small. Alright, the bridge is up.
Yeah, there goes the bridge finally.
First time I've been on it. Seriously? Really? Oh, there's a lot of people. I've been over it, I've been under it, I've been on it. Go the counterweight. Yeah. Same thing, only with thumb collector, leg pads, and DPI.
Oh yeah.
Won't have.
You know what John Marks is?
Yeah. I warn you that it was fire the horn. Maybe they figure everyone expects it now. It does. You gotta do the. There you go. There you go, yeah. We've done that. Look at my butt.